Welcome to Foxtecc. Today, I'll walk you through a quick and easy way to post a full photo on Instagram without losing any part of it. Sometimes Instagram crops your photo into a square and you lose part of the image you want to show. But no worries, I'll guide you on how to keep your entire photo visible so you can share exactly what you want. First, go ahead and open Instagram and tap the plus icon at the bottom. That's where you'll start your new post. When you're here, select the photo you want to upload from your gallery. By default, Instagram might crop it to fit their standard square frame, which can be frustrating if it's cutting out important parts of your picture. To get around this, look for the expand icon. It's two arrows pointing in opposite directions located in the bottom left corner. Tap on that and it will adjust the photo to fit more of the frame. This step alone should give you a lot more of your image within Instagram's post boundaries. Sometimes even after using the expand option, the full photo still doesn't fit the way you'd like. In this case, using a third-party app like Whitagram or Canva can really help. These apps let you add white borders around your photo, which essentially makes the photo appear smaller on Instagram, allowing the full image to be visible. Just add the borders, save the adjusted photo, and then re-upload it to Instagram. This trick ensures the entire photo stays within the frame without any awkward cropping. Once you've got your photo exactly how you want it, just finish up with your usual details. Add your caption, tags, and any other settings you'd like, then hit post and your full photo will appear just the way you intended. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, please give it a like and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more useful tips. See you later.